Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to make a solar panel, and yeah, it's made out of four solar cells, and they are connected in parallel and series, and yes, it should charge your phone. But since it's winter just here now in Sweden and I've made it in the winter, that does mean that it's dark outside and not much sunlight, and if so, then very weak. So then I decided to make the tests on in the spring or in the summer. So I will do an independent video, or like separate with tests only, if this really works. But as far as I can tell, it should work, and yeah, it should deliver about 200 milliamps. That is not that much, but it's enough to charge, to be used, and in situations where like you can't like charge your phone, as in camping or when you're outside. Yeah, but otherwise I'm going to make a video about it and show step by step how this was made, and it also has legs, so hopefully it will in summer work. So if you're interested, then keep watching. So in this project we will use 4 solar panels. So it should look like something like this. The measurements of these pieces I will show you. Here you can see it, I have drilled out a hole. This will be the on-off button, and here is the place where I can manipulate with the the converter to USB. I'm thinking of now sanding the whole the plywood plate. So now I am finished with the sanding. I used here a file, and otherwise I've used sanding machine. Now it looks much better, and I think it's time now for making that switch. we are going to use soldering iron and solder. Yeah, this switch is going to be the hardest part. So we are going to need to solder in a small space, so that's going to be hard. In the end, I needed to lengthen the wires, so it's good to do that. So next time it's good when you're doing like this switch like that, I would recommend to lengthen out the wires. It's better to have longer wires than shorter. This is very bad. It's not happening. So yeah, it's going to be need to be like it's going to need to be like that high. So we need to put like that really sucks, but yeah, there is no other way. So this gun is truly very bad, but this is not a heat gun, this is a hair dryer, and it really sucks, and I can't explain how bad it is. For the plastic, I'm going to use this. I'm going to cut it out and make it like, and cut it out this. And I will put a few more pieces together so that it's going to be hard, or like that it's going to be fragile, and that could be used as a plastic. But if you have an acrylic glass sheet, or like a plastic glass, transparent, then I would recommend to use that instead. But if you don't have it like me, then it's the other option to use this or some other. You will find at home something like that. Or you could use, if you have an old plastic box that you don't use, then you can cut out a piece. So I have here the, yeah, I don't remember what it's called. I think it's hinges, if I'm right. Yeah, but I have these here, and I'm going to do the legs now. And I've marked out where I want it. So now it's only to find some legs, like wood sticks, and then yeah, then make it. Simple as that. So here it is. I've marked it out, and now it's only to cut it out. And I actually, even this morning it was sun, and I tried it out and it was working, so that's good news. So yeah, it's only to cut it out, then I'm going to sand it, and then I can put these hinges on, small and here, and then we are done. And I will also sand it, and we will see how it's working. Yeah. So, and I also need to do that plastic thing. I'm going to do that fast. I'm thinking of using a piece of wood here and putting it here instead of using glue. I'm maybe going to do that instead, so it's going to look nicer. I will see. If I will find here a wood block, then I will put it there, and if I don't find, and it's going to be hard, then yeah, then I will skip that. But I would recommend to do with the wood. So now I am done with this solar panel, and I'm finished with the building. So it's pretty much done. This solar panel, yeah, I'm going to test it in the summer, I've decided, because yeah, as you know, it's winter and dark. Otherwise it's looking pretty good, and yeah, it's ready for testing. Otherwise, if you like this video, and yeah, then you could hit a like button, and if you have any comments on how I made it, or interested in something, or yeah, then comment. And if you really liked my video and would like to watch future videos that I'm going to make, then subscribe, and it would be good. Then see you in the next video. Bye for now.